Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. If you're looking to get started with Gate.io and take advantage of their amazing referral program, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about using the Gate.io referral code LONGLONG. So, let's dive right in. Gate.io is one of the top crypto exchanges out there, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options. But did you know you can get some great bonuses just by using a referral code when you sign up? That's right. By using the referral code LONGLONG, you can enjoy some awesome benefits. Let's talk about how you can get started with this. A referral code is a unique code that you can use when signing up on Gate.io to get special bonuses. Not only do you benefit, but the person who referred you also gets rewards. It's a win-win situation. So, make sure to use the referral code LONGLONG when you register. First things first, how do you get a referral code? It's simple. If you're watching this video, you're already in the right place because I'm giving you the referral code LONGLONG. Just keep this code handy for the next steps. All right, now let's talk about how to use the referral code LONGLONG. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Go to the Gate.io website. Open your browser and go to Gate.io. 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. 3. Fill in your details. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in other required information. 4. Enter the referral code LONGLONG. There will be a field for the referral code during the sign-up process. Make sure to enter LONGLONG here to claim your bonuses. 5. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to complete your registration, and you're all set. By following these steps, you'll be able to take full advantage of the referral bonuses. And remember, using the code LONGLONG is key to unlocking those benefits. Now you might be wondering, what exactly are the benefits of using a referral code? Here are a few perks. Discounts on trading fees. You can get discounts on the trading fees, making your trading experience more cost-effective. Sign-up bonuses. Sometimes Gate.io offers special bonuses for new users who sign up with a referral code. Referral rewards. Both you and the person who referred you earn rewards, which can be in the form of tokens or other bonuses. So, using the referral code LONGLONG can really enhance your trading journey on Gate.io. To make the most out of your Gate.io referral code, here are a few tips. Share your code. Once you've signed up, share your own referral code with friends and family to earn more rewards. Stay updated. Keep an eye on Gate.io's promotions and offers. They often have limited time bonuses for new users. Learn the platform. Take some time to explore Gate.io. The more you know about the platform, the better you can take advantage of its features and bonuses. Using the referral code LONGLONG is just the beginning. There's so much you can do on Gate.io once you're all set up. Alright, that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helps you get started with Gate.io and makes it easy for you to use the referral code LONGLONG. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and guides. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Happy trading. See you in the next video. Bye.